Alright, welcome back to Maru's Tech YouTube channel. This is Stark VPN right now. In the box down there in the comment section, just comment your country. I'm going to be giving you an SNI host. Stark VPN is back and is on fire. Just see what is happening. Just watch. Watch right here. Watch what is happening. Watch the speeds. All countries are available. I have a working host for Airtel Uganda. I have a working host for MTN Uganda. We are in 2026 February. I've made this video in February 2026. So I have all the hosts. I have Kenya, Safaricom, Kenya. I have a working host for Stark VPN, and I'm going to be soon exposing them. But just comment your country, or you're going to just come in our about. You'll get a WhatsApp number that is mine, then you'll be contacting me. I'm going to be giving you a Stark VPN host at some affordable prices. All countries, but specifically I'm dealing with 4 countries. I'm dealing with Zimbabwe, I'm dealing with Uganda, I'm dealing with Kenya, I'm dealing with Nigeria. Nigeria I have Airtel, Uganda I have Airtel, Zimbabwe I have Net1, Kenya I have Safaricom. Hosts, they are working. You see the speeds. Just come to my YouTube channel and then you subscribe. This is the channel I'm talking about. You just come, do one thing, just subscribe, then I'm going to show you how you can be finding me. This is the channel. It is called Maru's Tech. You just come here where we search from and search Maru's Tech, and then you press the subscribe button. That will be here, and then you come. If you come, you're going to come. These are the links. You come here where you have WhatsApp me. Just come and then click here, and then where we have WhatsApp me, then I will be receiving your text message. But Stark VPN is on fire. Unlimited speeds. Just watch the speed. Alright. Thank you guys for following.